In this lesson, we are going to learn about Basel Convention. Before learning Basel Convention, let's understand the word Basel. Actually, Basel is a city that's in Switzerland. You can say Switzerland. Basel is a city in Switzerland. In this Basel city, one convention held regarding the hazardous waste and its checking movements or checking of those or preventing the transfer of hazardous waste from developed nations to less developed countries or nations. So in this city, that hazardous waste hazardous waste and how to check this hazardous waste and its movement from one country to another country. It was discussed and agreed in 1989, and it came into force in 1992. It was in 1989 and it came into force in 1992. Let's discuss in details about this Basel Convention. You can see here Basel Convention. Actually, this you can say in 1989, Basel Convention on Control of Transboundary. You can see here transboundary movement of hazardous waste, transboundary movement of hazardous waste and their disposal was discussed here in this Basel city in Switzerland. That's in Europe. And most of the international organizations and their headquarters are found in Switzerland. It may be Geneva or you may say Basel. Many international organization, convention and treaties there mainly found in this Switzerland. So Switzerland is most important regarding this treaties, agreements, conventions, all these things. Anyway, so next point is you can see here international treaty designed to reduce the movement of hazardous waste. You can see here the movement of hazardous waste, movement of hazardous waste between nations and specifically from developed nation to least developed countries. So for example, this is world. You can see here. Here is North America, here is South America, here is Europe, and here is Africa. We know this Asia and Australia, for example. So from this Europe, all these countries, if it is Basel, for example, if it is Basel, if it is Basel, for example, it is Basel, and the movement is in between these continents, these countries. So in this convention, it was discussed to stop this movement of hazardous waste. However, this convention did not address the movement of, you can say, movement of radioactive waste. So radioactive substances and their movements, it was not discussed in this Basel Convention. It was discussed in next convention, Bamako Convention, that's in Mali, Africa. The convention also intended to minimize the amount and the toxicity of waste generated to ensure their environmentally sound management as closely as possible to the source of generation and to assist least developed countries in environmentally sound management of hazardous waste and other waste also. So now we are going to focus next point. The convention was opened for signature on 22nd March 1989 and it came into force in 1992, more particular 5th May 1992. And most of the countries they have signed this convention. However, you can see here only Afghanistan, Haiti, United States have signed the convention, but they have not ratified it. This is the important point here you have to remember. You can see here Basel Convention, the modern lifestyle and its benefits exist because of industry. So you can see here first point, you can see here first point, the modern lifestyle depending upon this industry and whatever those hazardous waste, you can say hazardous substances, hazardous waste coming out of these industries definitely harmful for human survival. And next point you can see here household appliances, personal computers, cars, ships, pharmaceuticals, paints. All these also involves this hazardous waste. Industrial production results in hundreds of millions of tons of wastes every year, and these wastes include chemical byproducts, and that is hazardous to human health and also environment. For this reason, Basel Convention says that we must check, prevent the transboundary movement of this waste. This is all about this Basel Convention. Thank you.